Water and energy are deeply interconnected. Producing fresh water is an energy-intensive process that often comes with high carbon emissions. Different treatment methods vary significantly in their energy consumption. Our capacitive deionization system uses electric double-layer principle to remove divalent ions, replacing traditional resins, reducing RO scaling, and reducing carbon emissions and energy use. Hydrophilic metal oxide, modified carbon electrodes with optimized operating modes, achieve high water recovery and low energy consumption. No chemicals needed, non-membrane desalination system with reversible operation cycles, truly energy-saving and low-carbon process. Capacitive deionization works not only in industry but also in home water purification, opening new possibilities for sustainable living.